Hello again everybody. The purpose of this video tutorial is just to show you how to access and download the data which we use for the computer labs and the practicals and the assessments in this course. First thing to do is start off on Blackboard is to go into the Introduction to Geographical Information Systems folder or courses website. Now, GIS data tends to be quite large, and so the way I upload it onto this website is as something called a zip file. What a zip file does is it takes quite a large number of files or quite a large amount of data and it shrinks it down into one usable file. So the first thing which we need to do before we can use that data again is to download it from Blackboard and unpack it so that we return it to its original stage, and then we can use it in the GIS. When you're in the course web page, click on Content, and then under Computer Lab Data and Guidelines you will see lab1data.zip. Click on that to download it, and once it's downloaded, click on it again. Now there are a large number of different types of zip programs and unzip programs, but the principle tends to be the exact same, which is that we choose a place where we want to unload it to. In theory, what we're doing is just saving it somewhere. So sometimes there's a button like up here, it says extract. Sometimes you can do things like copy to and stress the location where you want it to go. So we'll just extract it, and we are going to state the location we want to extract it to. So what I'd suggest is if you're doing this on a common computer is that you want to be saving this to your network space. You want to create a folder where you can use it, perhaps calling it something like week 4 practical like we have here, or within that lab 1 data. Once you've selected that location, you can click OK. It will then unpack that data across. You can close this down, and we can then go and look at that data. Okay, and we can see here that it's downloaded 21 individual files, which actually make up only 3 GIS files. GIS files generally consist of multiple individual files which contain information about attributes and projection and things like that. But once we've seen the data downloaded in this format, we know the data is available to be used within the GIS. It's very important that you save it somewhere where you can access it again. This is because every time we add data to a GIS, we need to specify where the data is coming from.